The Diepsloot 7 are expected to spend another night behind bars as they wait their fate in their bail application here at the Randburg Magistrate Court. And to tell us more about what is behind yet another postponement in this matter, I'm now joined by NPA spokesperson Phindi Mjonondwane. Thank you so much for joining us. Take us through what exactly is behind yet another delay in this matter.
You are correct. The matter was set down for the magistrate to deliver her judgment in the bail application that was brought before court by the 7 accused. Unfortunately, that could not be finalized as the defense applied to reopen their bail application case, and as well as apply for the matter to be heard in camera, and the court granted them that request. So we had in-camera proceedings. Hence, as the NPA, we cannot reveal the contents of those proceedings because they were held in camera, so they are not of public consumption. So now the magistrate rolled over the matter to tomorrow, the 13th of May 2020, to deliver her judgment.
Does that new information have a strong impact on the bail judgment?
Well, it does. Hence, the magistrate rolled over the matter to tomorrow so that she can then apply her mind to the new facts that were brought before court this morning.
The families of the accused are growing impatient. We've been seeing them almost daily, sitting in court with the hope that their loved ones would be released on bail, or for them to just get direction as to where does the matter go, in which direction does it go. With so many delays, it's been weeks now that the 7 men have been, applying for bail, busy with their bail application process. As the NPA, if you had to respond to them to obviously perhaps appeal for their patience, what would you say?
Well, it does happen in criminal proceedings, in bail application stages, especially where you have more than one accused person applying for bail. And their anxiety is also the anxiety of the family of the deceased as well. So unfortunately, we have to allow these processes to unfold and give the court an opportunity to apply its mind so that it then comes to a just conclusion.
We have learned that there are perhaps more accused that are being pursued. Where are we in terms of that? Are there any breakthroughs? Do we have any developments on that path?
Investigations are ongoing, so the police will be guided by the investigation and how it progresses on whether or not more people should be added to this case.
What are the possibilities of one of the accused turning state witness? Is that on the cards? Have you been approached by perhaps one of them who have indicated that they might be interested in turning state witness?
Well, as the state, we cannot comment about that. It's still early stages of the case. As I've said, that investigations are not yet finalized. The state will only decide on who becomes its witnesses once investigations are finalized.
Do you remain confident in your case?
We have a prima facie case against all accused. That is what we can ascertain the public out there about. And it's up to us as the state to prepare for trial and present evidence in court, and that question will be answered by the court as it has to consider all the relevant evidence that will be presented before it.
All right, thank you so much there, NPA spokesperson Phindi Mjonondwane, just giving us the latest update on the new developments in this case. Of course, you would understand that defense attorney Sibusiso Mkhwanazi has brought new information before this court, information that has, of course, postponed the matter to a Friday. On that note, it's back to studio.